Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we will talk about the Bode plot and we will see the gain margin and phase margin crossover frequencies, right? If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Let's get started. Here you can see I have written close all clear on CNC command for just whenever you will run your code, it will just clean your screen of the command window, right? For Bode plot, we have need transfer function so that we can easily plot the phase margin and the gain margin. So here I have a transfer function, right? And I have written here s is my variable. You can see here I have written this command s equals to transfer function of s. Here the Matlab will treat s value as a variable, right? And then we have to write the frequencies. Minimum frequency is 10 hertz and the maximum frequency is 1 megahertz, right? In general, MATLAB has frequencies in radian per second, so we prefer hertz, so that's why we are checking in hertz, right? And now to limit the x-axis of the Bode plot, I have written here the minimum frequency is 10 hertz and the maximum frequency is 1 megahertz, right? Similarly, if written for y, we have two plots actually, magnitude and the phase plot, so that's why we are taking for two axes, limiting the two axes. The first one is the magnitude plot, so magnitude plot limits minus 60 to the 80 value, and similarly for the phase plot is minus 200 to 380 degree, right? It's just for grid on. Define the title of the plot title is Bode plot, simple. And magnitude and the phase responses g figure, actually we are defining this as the transfer function which is represented by g, so that's why I have written here g figure equals to figure number 1. And this command generate the magnitude and the phase plot. In the function of Bode we have g, which is the transfer function. Bode option is including all the parameters that we had defined in the above in our response, right? This is b for color of the graph that we will get from the Bode. This is for this line is for a fine object and GCF type line. These all commands gives the line width and the plot will be thicker. The whole code that I have written, it will generate the Bode plot for finding the crossover frequencies and phase and gain margins. We have to write the function. So this function is actually margin of G, and which will get the gain margin, phase margin, and the gain crossover frequency and phase crossover frequency, right? And then after getting these four parameters from this function, we have to use fprintf command to print the values of all the parameters. Actually this is in radian per second, so we are converting it into degrees. Run your code. So this is our transfer function, and you can see here the Bode plot. Our Bode plot is very simple, and here you can see the crossover frequency. Crossover frequency is 126 hertz. Crossover frequency for the magnitude is lesser than the crossover frequency of the phase margin, right? So which is 1000 hertz. So one of the thing that we indicate that yes, our system is stable. And similarly you can see here the gain margin value is 2.9, which is positive, and similarly the phase margin is 85.2 degrees, right? So these both things are positive. Gain margin and the phase margin, they both are positive, so that's why we can say the our system is stable. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, any query, you can comment below.